Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politics discussion show on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukwudi Anuku be there inside studio. And what will they discuss today? Now the judgment when we say the Oga Kpatakpata of all the courts when they inside Nigeria, will be Supreme Court, come out here, see the conduct, say yes. So all the case when the APC lawmakers carry take put on top of the head of Governor Ayodele Fayose of Ekiti State, say they sweep everything, enter inside dustbin. Governor Ayodele Fayose don dey dance Sekem and Shoki since yesterday. But some people like Nkubi still they look the matter, they talk say then they still they feel say monkey and dey inside. I go allow and talk, make him convince Nigerians. Say na wetin you get point. I know they ever point me finger. Make I just warn you now. No, they ever point me finger because I never show you my other side on top of this show. Now I go make you come here, they talk anyhow. They balance for chair like say now you get this space. You go see what I go do on top of this show. Just continue.
Make I no point your finger.
No point me finger. No ever.
Chukwudi, I dey point am to you. Why? Make I now ask you. Why be say okay, Oga Ayo Fayose, the governor of Ekiti State. If you know say in hand no clean, if you know say in hand clean, why would they threaten the lawmakers?
Where are they threatening
Why
them?
would they threaten their decision?
How are they threatening them?
Why not allow them come take part in the decision making of the state?
Oh wait. Oh you can't
No,
talk. No, which
make
no?
I no point hand.
Now
I dey point hand, they talk am.
No point me hand no.
Chukwudi, I don't dey point am. In fact, I go point you on my hand. Chukwudi, answer to my question. Talk. I know. I dey point am. Talk. What you want to?
You did.
No. What you want to?
I will deal with you.
Oh, you go do with me. You don't dey talk that thing again. If I talk say I'll drench you. You go be like na very strong language. Look, I will make sure say look I decline you. Now they use the time for you. Look, I don't use time when we say wait, it dey make me vex.
Because of say court talk say Ayodele Fayose don win case. I make you come they use this English. They use me. They say you will drench me. You will decline me.
No be you talk say you finish me. I finish and decline no be the same thing.
I feel for you.
I feel for you too.
No, I feel for you more.
I feel for you more.
I feel for you more.
I even feel for you more.
Because this, you see,
even much more.
More of this kind thing they come. Where
they come?
No worry, you go see.
Where they come?
You go
for
see
this election, we no say e dey free and fair in every state.
Who could be talk true? We see picture.
Waiting.
We see picture.
Okay.
We see picture.
Hold on.
We see picture.
Where you see picture?
Small children.
Where you see picture?
Small children.
River State.
Small children.
River State.
Which River State?
Akwa Ibom.
Which River State?
Akwa Ibom.
People when they call us from Akwa Ibom and River State.
Akwa Ibom. Imo State.
Which Imo?
Mention.
Which mention?
These are presidents wey dey so heated.
Which heated?
Taraba.
Hey,
Taraba. Mention Taraba.
They just they multiply number overnight. Nigerians, they are multiplying number.
Chukwudi, tell me.
All these numbers that you people are multiplying.
When we say they are okay, Abia.
Hey. Which Abia?
Hey!
Which Abia?
These are places where we know say the election they hot and we know say the opposition they give them tough time.
Which Abia?
They never want release result.
Nkubi, we know this thing. Oh, make we not talk. Nkubi, make we not talk. Make we not talk.
Talk am.
1.7 million.
For where?
Where did it come from?
Wait. For
1.1 million.
We get a very large population.
Yeah, which large population?
Large population.
Which large population?
After Lagos, where else you go mention?
Which large population?
After Lagos, not be Kano be the next state.
Thank you. Why 1.7 million? When we say Lagos,
because the people come out en masse
in Lagos
to vote.
The Nigerians, can you see?
The people come out en masse.
We will go to court.
Go ahead.
You go see am.
You see.
We all these things where we dey talk.
The same way when
we
the
get
court don't also judge this one, also you also judge am.
Which judge?
The what?
We will see.
We'll see.
Justice
you
must be said.
You want better with me?
Which bet? If you bring your hand here now, I go just draw you down now. I will just draw you down.
Chukwudi, better with me.
I will draw you down.
You draw me down. Why will you draw me down?
Because this is
how they tell you true.
This is how you the point. I see it as an act of aggression. I go commando. Just mind yourself. I dey tell you. I'm following due process. On top of this issue, I'm following due process.
Seriously.
Which vexing what?
Chukwudi, you have not still answered
Which vexing what?
Answer my question.
You say Governor Ayodele Fayose.
Answer
in the threatening people. How they threatening them?
Chukwudi.
When we hear say Ekiti people come out.
This is barely 10 months into his government.
They are distracting.
Why is his government not steady? Why is his government
because you people are because you people are distracting.
Because he's also not giving them that breathing room.
It's a lie.
To make make decision.
Okay, Nkubi, maybe we even come talk am now.
Okay, talk am.
On Easter Monday, when these people, when the people of Ekiti State, the good people of Ekiti State, that came out to elect their governor, a man of the people, a man that they believe in, a man that they know that will take them to greater heights. When they hear say these bad people, when these people they plan bad thing, they go and come out of office, what they do? All of them come out. Young, old, women, children, men, they come out and say, if you must impeach our governor, the key word is our governor.
Hold on. Just, they even shame to even talk. Just do like this, do like this. See, we know as politics they take waka.
Which politics they waka?
Now RNG.
Which RNG?
RNG.
All those people.
You don't go give them tips, say take. Me not come cover everything.
Okay, thank you. Yesterday when the governor.
We don't know all this one.
Yesterday when the governor they drive for
tell ourselves on
yesterday
truth.
when the governor
Let
they drive
us tell ourselves on
Don't
truth.
tell me which truth
Let
are you
us
telling
tell
me?
ourselves on truth.
Which truth are you
We
saying?
know how they take waka.
Which waka?
Now arrange everything be drama.
Which drama?
Get say give person script say I want make you display this. Now what happen?
No, so now so they be for our state.
Now so they be for our
Nigerians,
state.
can you see?
you
Nigerians,
know
can
what
you see?
that is what
Hey,
happened.
Nigerians.
Nigerians what?
Oh, Nigerians.
Nigerians what?
If not
why
be say-
calling up to, why calling on to Nigerians?
If not be
Wetin
said,
Nigerians
if
do?
not be said the way when our papa take don win this election, I was
The same papa where you kick against, the same papa where you want. It's given inside you go throw and punch.
which papa I kick against?
No, you don't become your papa.
I resemble Doyin Okupe for your eye. Which papa I kick against? Not come they talk wetin you no know. Not come they talk wetin you no know. No just come talk wetin you no know.
Hey,
but this
Jukudi.
Ekiti State, this case, Supreme Court don show us say yes. Yes, if you bring your facts, if you bring your evidence, we will speak for you. Why una dey distract this man
Abeg,
for 10 months?
Make we open our phone
For
lines
10
because
months.
I know say our viewers go also get one or two that is a lot of things to talk on this matter. Abeg, make I dey come, make I dey talk o. Make I just dey talk as e be na for body. So you talk say.
Wetin be you dey talk say wetin?
No, I wan hear wetin.
No dey hear you.
I was addressing the viewers.
You know dey hear what
I
is
was
when I dey
addressing
talk.
our
You
viewers.
know dey hear what is when
I was addressing our viewers. What were you
Why
saying?
e be say na only Ekiti State these lawmakers dey cause trouble? 10 of them distracting the governor, disturbing the governor, not allowing him do what he's supposed to do.
This was the same governor that when he came into power the last time he came in, his government had a bit of controversy.
Which controversy?
Why was he impeached or removed from power?
Who planned it?
I don't know.
Who planned it?
Yourself.
Ask yourself. Go and read newspaper. Go and read newspaper. Who planned it?
What happened? What was it cut off?
Nkubi,
yeah. Catch on hand. We make an impeach and
you be bad person and today I just know. You be bad person.
See, I talk
You know
to
why?
you, I can't talk to
You know
you.
why I know say you be bad person? Make we even call look am.
I be bad person.
They hear now. They hear. Ah.
Na you
Oh,
better
they hear.
person.
Now even the court don come finally talk everything o. First and foremost, the court talk say the fact say una talk say they don impeach this man before, he no get right to contest. Court don comot am far o. The court don even talk say the people wey recommend, wey sit down recommend far o. That's 2-0 first half. Just leave am like that o. Imagine person wey be say dem impeach. Why you know say that impeachment na arrangement? It was the handiwork of the enemy. They impeach this man. Ekiti people still come out again after so many years. Come vote the man again. Say, come back to become our governor. Nkubi, what does he show you? He show you. I go speak Yoruba for this show. I don't even vex. Ayé ò lè ṣe kíni? Ayé ò lè ṣe kíni? Kò lè pa kádàrá. Ó kò lè ṣe kíni? Ó kò lè fa ọwọ́ aago sẹ́yìn. That is to say, the word he no fit stop kádàrá. He no fit stop destiny. He go just rewind down. The man still come back after how many years? Come win election again. Come win your governor when you come out and say he was a former governor. You know the shame say you come out and say governor na former governor. You know if you relate with your people. Nkubi. Your landlord na he go help you train your children. Na your landlord go help you train your children.
Chukudi, I just respect you here, so just respect yourself.
Which respect? You thought say you go deal. No, but you no.
Come dey respect
See,
yourself.
I know they fear your
Because
voice. I know they fear your voice.
Respect
Me
yourself.
too, I feel reduce my own voice.
Respect yourself.
I know they fear your voice.
But you know when we go, just
they-
respect your height, respect everything we don't talk. Just respect yourself. And this your big eye they open for me. Respect them. Respect them. Because not just make me vex here.
If you get the way when you go talk this thing now, I go. If you get the way when you go just talk this thing.
Hold
now,
on.
I go show you, Pepe.
We get caller. Bashiru from Sokoto. Good morning.
Good morning, my man.
Yes. Good morning, Bashiru.
How you dey?
You dey fine?
How everything dey?
Fine, oh.
Why you dey vex like this now?
Him abi?
Now him now, I tell him.
Him.
Na you this man we wear calf. Why you dey
Thank
vex
you.
now? You want slap this man now?
In fact, if not because of say. Okay, Bashiru, what do you
know
get
what
to
it
talk on this matter?
You know what thing? That governor, that fire saver. I really respect that man. He don't try. Really, he don't try.
Thank you.
I very appreciate that how we celebrate winning that tribunal.
Okay.
With the
very
people,
interesting.
the ordinary people on the streets.
Yeah. We did Sokoto celebrating with him. We did Sokoto celebrating together with him. Really, that man is very, very interesting man.
Okay, thank you very much, Bashiru, for your contribution.
You don't hear that? Bashiru all the way from
Bashiru
Sokoto.
is the first caller.
How can a governor come out and be celebrating with
Bashiru is
his
the
people?
first caller so far.
Do you know what it means?
Benjamin is calling from Alaba. Benjamin, good morning. This now ask in the hot. Talk, make we hear
Good
you.
morning, as in the hot. How are you?
Good day, fine.
Thank you. Please, we here in Alaba watching this program are celebrating as well with Fayose.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
I have Fayose is the man. He's the kind of people we want.
Thank you. A man of the
At
people.
least he's the man of the people.
Thank you.
Everybody is happy with him. These FCC lawmakers want to intimidate him just
Oh,
because
see me, oh, innocent me, only me. All of them against only me. I'm innocent.
So we really give him kudos.
Thank you very much. Oga Benjamin, I better tell Alaba people make them continue to dey watch. Now me be the only man standing, oh. They won't make a difference. I tell them say no, they don't want me. Oga Benjamin. See me, oh, Oga Benjamin. Look at Nigerians, they won't see, oh. Hey, thank you. You don't hear them? You don't hear them? Two people, Bashiru from Sokoto, Oga Benjamin from Alaba. If you see truth, who could be why you don't want to talk true? Say the truth. Your voice don't come down. Your voice don't come down. Your voice don't make you do waiting. Now maybe the court.
No.
Am I the court?
No, we came here to discuss issues.
We discuss which
We don't
issue?
come here. See, anyway.
2 people don't call in this thing. 14 people don't call now. They don't talk and say that they celebrate with the man. You the verse.
I want to say Bashiru way they celebrate man. They celebrate on the ground. Say okay, yes. Say the man even uphold himself. Cause say okay, let us move on.
Thank you.
But the fact is,
Which fact?
that still will not still take away the fact. Say,
Hey.
say what do you mean? Hey,
You are
without allowing me talk.
Which
say,
allow you talk?
This man no allow government and governors to at least operate well for his state.
Why dem dey
because
disturb
one,
am?
because of what thing? Because of say he also dey cause distraction for the state.
How is it
by not allowing the lawmakers to make and take their decision.
Because they wanted to do a bad thing.
Agbev, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Agbev. We dey fine.
Fine, Oga Agbev. Abeg, one Nkubi.
One Chukwudi.
One arm.
One Chukwudi. One arm.
I agree to Ukubi.
Yes.
How you say?
I dey fine, Oga Agbev.
No, you my friend. Well.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
If you say you be woman, I will marry you.
Thank you very much.
You know hear wetin he talk, you dey thank am. He say he go follow you. Say
Hold on.
He say he go follow you. Say
Hold on.
14 years now you dey take play. Oga Agbev, continue. 2 of una dey follow.
Continue.
Follow.
My follow.
I say continue, we dey hear you.
The matter be say that you know say as declare the fire as a winner now. It's good that as they declare it good because then we see what he will do. No need to make noise say it's like this. As a judge, I like that. I will see me so. I'm not like to do do it because when me and what for this Nigeria, let's say you say make you do good when your people will like you.
Thank you very much, Oga Agbev. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you, Oga Agbev. God bless you very much for this thing where you don't talk. Oga Agbev, for this thing where you don't talk. May the Almighty God bless you. May the Almighty God bless you. Make a prayer for am. Because this thing they touch me for heart. Oga Agbev, God go bless you. Everybody wey don corner, why e be say Nkubi, why e be say good thing? Una no dey gree wan accept am. Una no dey wan gree.
Wetin be good thing we no dey gree accept am? No be the same good thing bringing the present government into power. Wey be say.
We are talking Ekiti State. We are talking Ekiti.
No, you are talking about good thing.
No, we are talking
You are talking about good thing. Let's not generalize good thing.
We are talking about Ekiti.
Why they raise paper for me?
Why we are talking about
Why they raise paper for me?
I don't raise paper. I don't raise paper again.
Dorcas from Kaduna, good morning. Good morning, Madam Dorcas. Madam Dorcas, you there?
You don't use your voice for sure. Madam Dorcas, madam. You know whether na Madam Dorcas.
My gentleman voice.
You know whether na Madam Dorcas.
My gentleman, you know since I call her.
Why you put Madam for a name?
Wait, since I call her.
Why you put Madam for
Dorcas?
Why you put Madam for her name?
Madam Dorcas. The voice no dey gentleman enough.
Why you put Madam for her name?
It concern you.
You know whether she like Madam.
Either way, she go correct me if she no be Madam.
You know whether she like Madam.
What is that?
We get another caller. He dey call us from Warri. Dorcas from Kaduna.
Good morning, Dorcas. Richard, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Richard.
Yes. Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Richard.
I want to talk to
that Shukudi, when they support Fayose so.
Yes, that is him. That is him.
Hello.
Will they hear you, Oga Richard? Continue.
I want Shukudi, they watch Fayose well. If they watch Fayose well, you go know who Fayose be. If they watch Fayose, you go know who Fayose be. Because I won't let them know say why be say any position Fayose was also problem. The first turn on when the first do for a kitty problem, it don't come again problem.
Oga Richard, now bad people no want make the man drink water drop cup. Oga Richard talk to who could be them. Now who could be them? They cause this thing.
Oga Richard don't they talk. Allow him breathe. Allow him talk.
No, but I want to let you know that this kind. Hello.
Yes,
they hear you.
Listen, this kind plan, you will want to know where we're left.
Right on.
Make you go out to kitty people. Well, they go tell you say now this kind of system where they say they call trouble for everywhere. That's why you change the light.
Thank you very much, Oga Richard. That is you don't talk.
Oga Richard.
Thank you very much.
I no agree with what Oga Richard.
Why not go agree with him?
I go talk and say who did.
Why you not go agree with him?
Make we take Mamadou from Benin first before I come talk what I want to talk. Oga Mamadou, good morning, sir.
Thank you, Chukudi. You know what I want to ask Chukudi? Mr. Chukudi, you know what I want to ask you?
Okay,
why
sir.
7 people go impeach
Thank you.
19 people for Ekiti?
Thank you very much, Oga Mamadou.
Yeah? Why 7 people go impeach?
It's not waiting be that you call
They form a quorum.
Quorum, waiting be quorum. Ask him waiting be quorum.
Why you go dey ask me say wetin be quorum?
Hold on.
Chukudi. 7 people they form quorum.
Hey.
Sir, let me explain.
Tell us, make we hear. 7 people do. You see, that man, God just save and say, God say, make he just manage, make them leave him. Make the just manage, leave him, for peace to reign. That's all. But the man do very many bad things. He's not a good person. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Mamadou. Thank you very much. You could hear him. Mamadou don't talk him. Mamadou talk and say, why 7 or 9 people mention go form quorum?
Thank you very much.
Where is it done? Quorum.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Emmanuel Biko, tell us if the quorum system, if it is effective in Nigeria, or tell us if quorum fit impeach person from seat. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning, my brother.
Yes.
Sometimes impeachment is based on criticism.
Uh-huh.
So the Ayo Fayose is man of the people.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Sis one.
Hold on. Right on, Oga Emmanuel.
So as they want to impeach him now, God don't show them say na him be God.
Oh.
Okay.
So God show them say na him be God. Now him make him. You know, as he celebrate. Nobody say na him celebrate. Now his people, the mind of his people.
Thank you. Thank you. You see?
Hold on. Emmanuel is still talking.
So like what my Chukudi said. Look at you said the number of Kaduna, Lagos is the people in Lagos is bigger than Kano. Why Kano? Why Kano? The figure there is bigger than
because
Kano.
the people came out en masse.
Excuse me, Emmanuel is talking.
Compared to the Lagos, they say
Emmanuel is talking. You tell me saying
my brother come out in mass. I was communicating with my brother in Lagos. He told me everything.
Oh.
And I watched Kano live. The election. Underage, Taraba, even Katsina myself. Underage, children, underage voting. So forget PDP. Fayose is a man of the people.
Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel. Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel. Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel. On that note, we go enter break. Who could be your body don't they calm down? Abi?
Your body they calm down. How you they calm down? Are the same person body they calm down?
Your body they calm down.
On what ground?
Your body they calm down. Don't tell me. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Ezugu Chukudi and Nkubi dey inside studio and we dey discuss the case where we say Supreme Court carry put inside dustbin as e take concern all the lawmakers wey come talk say Governor Ayodele Fayose say that governor chair wey he dey sit down on top he no suppose sit down on top. We go update una on the kind things wey the court talk. The 7-man panel come out come rule say number 1 the people wey talk say because they don impeach the governor before, he no go fit contest election. Say that one, if you check our constitution, e no dey correct. The second one, the people wey come down, come look, say, this man, he be like, say, make dem impeach am, or say, na bad thing, na those people come do, and they no suppose sit down like that. That one na 2-0 when he give them for first half. Then the third one, they talk say the man, he be like, say, forging certificate. The court come look in HN, they come talk say, this thing na correct one. And the fourth one, finally, they talk say they use security people to use shakara them. Court come talk say that matter no, you know, dey necessary at all. So as e dey now, Governor Ayodele Fayose dey dance Shoki and Sekem all around the Ekiti state, and I don dey beg Nkubi since. Say make they allow this man, make him rest, make him drink water, make him drop cup. Thank you very much.
And the rest, now, you be a happy man, Abi.
Say
court don't decide, court don't.
Nku, I like how you say.
Also be
I like how you say court. Now court you mentioned.
Hold on.
Thank you.
You
court.
also be a
talk am again.
You
Court.
also be
court.
a happy man
court.
and say for this election they do say now people sweep the whole of Ekiti for the house for the House of Assembly election.
Which one be my
because
people?
At least
which one be my people?
Your people now.
Who be the people who come vote? Now Ekiti people have been from.
I think your people win now.
Who be the people who vote for them?
Your people win.
Abeg go take Lucas from Kaduna.
Your people
who be the people who vote for the people wey no be Ekiti people?
No. Fayose can now rest
make
because of say people don't do it, don't come.
Make we take Lucas from Kaduna.
Lucas, good morning.
Chukudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. I like as you call my name first. I know say na me you want support. Thank you very much.
I know say you dey talk say I want support you. Support no dey there.
Thank you.
This is new Nigeria.
Thank you.
Oga Lucas.
This is the beginning of Nigeria.
Hold on.
Wait, listen to me, Chukudi.
Listen to him.
This is the new Nigeria. We need good people to take Nigeria forward.
Thank you.
You, if they don't take something, give you, you take this money. Please go and wipe your face very well. We need new Nigeria. Fayose, we know say Fayose, his people like him.
His people
hold on.
You don't talk about.
Hold on. Man. Why you not finish his first tenure? He run away. He come back. Do mugu don't enter. He will come out there. Either he like it or not. He will come out there. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Oga Lucas. Oga Lucas is vex.
Oga Lucas don show say he no just like the man.
Oga Lucas is vex.
Oga Lucas don show say he no just
you
like the man.
You said look am.
Look wetin?
First time wey he come, he left under.
Oh, Olaniyi dey call us from Ekiti.
Beautiful.
He go settle the matter.
Olaniyi from Ekiti.
Don call his name 2 times.
Good morning.
He left under. Olaniyi dey call us from Ekiti.
Oga Olaniyi, abeg reduce the volume of your television. We wan hear the thing wey you go drop for us now.
Hello.
Good morning,
Olaniyi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Reduce the volume of your TV, Oga Olaniyi. I wan hear what you wan talk na Ekiti you dey call us from. Hey, I'm excited.
Yeah, I want tell you now wetin dey happen for Ekiti.
Okay.
Yeah, if you watch Ayo Fayose is the man of the people.
Oh, thank you very much.
Ayo Fayose is the man of the people.
Thank you.
And I want tell you something about Governor Fayemi, former Governor Fayemi. Fayemi is a good man, but waiting we want from Fayose is Fayose. He know wetin we want here.
Yeah, you see how.
He know wetin poor people want. You know, if you watch.
Stomach infrastructure now una want stomach infrastructure.
Hello.
Are they here?
See, if you watch Fayemi, Nkumbi.
Yes.
Nkumbi. I love you.
Thank you very much.
I like you.
Thank you.
If I tell you I like you, if you watch election for Kano and election from Ekiti State, see, hello.
Are they here? Are they here?
Hello.
Continue. Hey, Oga Olaniyi.
Hey.
Nkubi, see your plan.
Hey.
See your plan. You say make dem disconnect the line as the man dey talk. Hey.
Where I take pass the information make dem disconnect the line.
Na so una party dey do. Hey, Nkubi o.
I don tell you, but respect yourself.
Oh, you talk wetin Olaniyi talk.
Before we go talk, make we collect call from Oga Polycarp. Oga Polycarp dey call us from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Chibode.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Nkubi.
Yeah?
I think we all are pledging for peace.
Yes.
I think the state don't have enough of that problem since Obasanjo's era.
Thank you.
Because you can see, I'm not going to say you get correct past the Supreme Court. Other courts, we don't give judgment in favor. Okay, during the election, the whole state cleared, the PDP cleared the whole House of Assembly edition. When the PDP man is working now with PDP House of Assembly, peace will reign in that state. I don't like that place to be trouble again.
Thank you.
PDP state just like Enugu, PDP states. I'm nothing going to do about it.
Thank you.
Arrest, please.
But why would they have issues in the first place?
Because they are disturbing the man.
The man is disturbing them.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Let me give a brief space. You're going to look fine. He's a man of the people.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Continue to the watch as they hot and tell Enugu people. This morning,
okay. Olani,
make I give you scores. Make I give you scores. Make I give you scores.
You're not giving me any scores here.
Polycarp, Olani, Lucas, Emmanuel, Richard, Adef, Benjamin, Bashiru, Michael Jackson, Obama, Felix, Michael, no be Jackson, Michael,
Obama,
Michael,
for where?
Osama,
they call for this program.
Usman, I might call Usana.
That when they call, then blindfold my eye. I mean, they off my ear.
Make we take MCB. They call us from Wari. Oga MCB, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Shukubi and Nukubi.
Good morning, Oga MCB.
Yes, I congratulate Oga Fayose first for the good things they do for Ekiti State.
Thank you.
Yes, Fayose is a very good person. It's just that people go behind them where they don't want to make it do something good. Why can't they do something good for this country? Somebody could the one fight. You go dig well for somebody come and they get water. Before somebody go past and they come and say, well, not supposed to do the compound. You put ball for the street. Somebody go carry the ball, come out, say, ball not supposed to do the street. Why ball go this street? Why is it like that to this country? Maybe they need Fayose sit down. Maybe Fayose rest. Fayose is a good person. The people like Fayose, they want the country for this now.
He go rest.
They want that for this now. People like this celebrate them.
Thank you.
You know, people they celebrate for household, for road, when they say Fayose don't weekend. People, somebody for store, 70, it's there. It does, they give people because the governor don't come back.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
Just the spread the love of
Nigeria, so they support, so they call, sponsor this program. It's a very good program that they do for us.
Thank you very much, Oga MCB. Thank you for that suggestion where it is now, at least.
It's important.
It's important.
It's very important.
Very, 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 very important.
Very important. Just like as Fayose don't win this case now, this one they very, very important.
Olani is calling us back. Oga Olani, welcome back.
Hello?
Yes, welcome back. Right on.
Yeah. I like your program very, 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 very well.
Thank you very much.
Uncle B.
Yes.
Uncle B, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
See, if say Governor Fayemi they do as Governor Fayose they do. Hello?
We they hear.
Yes. If say Governor Fayemi they do as Governor Fayose they do.
Okay.
In fact, as you they see me so, I'll be fans for Governor Fayemi.
Okay.
Very, 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 very
If
well.
to say,
100%.
Hold on.
But the thing be say we in Ekiti here, we like Governor Fayose past Governor Fayemi.
Yeah.
Because if they follow up shop Akara, if they follow up shop Agbado. See,
Oh God.
after this program now, I dey go celebrate for wetin happen for yesterday.
Thank you very much, Oga Olani. As you
Thank you very
celebrate
much.
well, don't let the celebration too much. Thank you very much. Our people,
Stomach infrastructure.
Excuse me.
Hey, stomach infrastructure. That's why people like us.
Which stomach
If they follow
infrastructure?
their job corn.
Which stomach infrastructure?
The good governance will come. Now we dey talk about here.
So person wey call us from Ekiti now. You wan see this? Our people when they for us, we always dey talk and say Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move our country forward. Our president-elect don talk say na collective will, that is all of us go work together. And our Oga President, Oga Goodluck don talk say we go need to make sacrifice. If you join the two together, it means say plenty work dey if we wan move this country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they comot smoke. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi.
Look, my own name na Unkubi. Chibi, he say he won't do it with me. Yeah, come on.
If you
No, come on.
If you
Follow
try,
me.
you go. If you
Come on.
I don't want to.